Thank you for visiting www.mommyimhere.com. In this video, we will be showing the simple battery replacement of a CL103 remote electronic child locator. This procedure is identical for both the brown bear locator and the pink CL103 locator. Let us begin. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver and a new 12-volt battery. The 12-volt battery can be purchased at any supermarket, hardware store, or camera shop. Using a Phillips screwdriver, I simply remove the 3 screws that are located on the back of your keychain transmitter. They unscrew fairly easily, and most anybody can do this at home with simple household tools. I will then remove the back panel of the remote, and you can see the battery is lying in there with easy access. I will simply remove the battery, replace it with a new battery, being careful to watch that I install it with the proper polarity, meaning that the positive end goes at the top, the negative end goes towards the bottom. This is fairly easy to do because we also have inside this casing a positive marking and a negative marking. You will then replace the rear portion of the keychain transmitter, then reinstall the 3 Phillips head screws. It's a fairly quick procedure. And now your keychain transmitter is ready again for immediate use. If you find that your teddy bear receiver is emitting random chirping noises, or that the LED light blinks on and off rapidly while the unit is armed to the transmitter, it probably means it's time to replace the batteries in the teddy bear receiver. The teddy bear receiver utilizes CR2032 wafer batteries. It uses 2 of them. I will now show how to replace the batteries in the teddy bear receiver. Just like with the transmitter, I'll unscrew the 2 Phillips screws in the back portion of the cover for the teddy bear receiver. I'll then remove the casing, to reveal the 2 CR2032 batteries. They come out very easily, so you remove them, replace them with 2 new CR2032 wafer batteries. It's a very simple installation, very quick. I will then replace the cover and gently tighten down the 2 Phillips screws. It's important not to over tighten, just tighten them down snugly. There we go. Now your Mommy I'm Here child locator is ready again for immediate use. Thank you for visiting www.mommyimhere.com, and thank you for your support.